Windfalls can be a pleasant surprise, whether it's a bonus, inheritance, or a tax refund. While it might be tempting to splurge, using these unexpected sums to bolster your emergency fund can provide significant financial security. Why is an emergency fund so important? An emergency fund is a crucial component of a healthy financial plan. It can help you weather unexpected expenses like medical bills. Unexpected illnesses or accidents can lead to substantial medical costs. Job loss, losing your job can disrupt your income and create financial strain. Car or home repairs, major repairs can be costly and difficult to plan for. Natural disasters, hurricanes, floods, and other natural disasters can cause significant property damage. How to use windfalls to build your emergency fund. Prioritize it. Make building or replenishing your emergency fund a top priority. Resist the urge to spend the windfall on non-essential items. Set a goal. Determine how much you want to save in your emergency fund. A common recommendation is to have 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your emergency fund account. This can help you save consistently and avoid the temptation to spend. Consider high-yield savings accounts. These accounts offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, allowing your money to grow faster. Be flexible. If you encounter a significant emergency, don't hesitate to use your emergency fund as intended. The goal is to have a safety net in place when you need it most. Additional tips for using windfalls wisely. Avoid debt. If you have high-interest debt, consider using the windfall to pay it off. This can save you money on interest and improve your financial health. Invest for the future. Once you've built a substantial emergency fund, you can consider investing the remaining windfall for long-term goals like retirement or a down payment on a home. Don't forget about other financial goals. While building an emergency fund is essential, don't neglect other important financial goals like saving for college or contributing to retirement accounts. By strategically using windfalls to boost your emergency fund, you can create a strong financial foundation and protect yourself from unexpected life events.